Hey guys, welcome to Typer Gaming channel, and this video is going to be a little special. It's because I am unboxing Logitech G512 Carbon, and the switch is GX Brown Tactile. And right now I'm gonna have a cut here because it might take a little longer than you expected on unboxing. So let me cut that right here. Okay, now to pull it out. It's a little box right here. It's black. And pull this thing down. Oh, really interesting. Whoa. Put some cards here. And a USB cable here. Oh, it's a long USB cable. Hold on. Get this out. And here it goes. A brand new keyboard. Carbon edition. And it's a GX Brown switch. Pretty good. And let's get this plastic off. Let's see. Right here. Should I Wow. It's a little heavy to be honest, but I guess that's fine since it won't move a lot when you're trying to type. And here it goes. The Carbon Edition G512 keyboard. Mechanical switches, RGB lights, and I'll be right back putting these RGB lights on. So now I just plug in the cable into my laptop right here, and it works pretty fine actually. The colors are waving into the keys and it's pretty good, not gonna lie. And yeah, that's all I can tell you guys, but we can make it for testing on typing later. So I'll cut that right here. And here we are, typing tests on this RGB mechanical keyboard, Logitech 512 Carbon. And so right now I'm in computer recording, but unfortunately I can't record the keyboards. It's because I haven't know how to like record the keyboard typing while I'm on computer. So right now, what best I can do is record. So let's see how fast I can type right now. But right now, the last time I typed, it was 50 WPM. It was my laptop keyboards, but I can do faster than that. But today I seem a little tired and my hand a little slippery. Then it might be slower than this, but I don't know. Let's see. So right now, let's start the test. Right, let's get used to this mechanical keyboard. Why is it loading? Hold on. There's a little loading here. Oh, it's the same speed as before, but like I said, my hand is a little wobbly today, but we'll see when it comes to my actual energy typing. So, in my opinion, this keyboard is really good for typing, but I recommend you that you can buy a armrest, like rest. Hold on. Rest. Hold on. Rest. Oh my god, why am I typing? I feel jelly today. No, not this one. Something like this, guys. Like, when you put under the keyboard, no, not this one, though. So, it's like something like that, because, since the keyboard's a little high, I recommend you can get, like, these, wrist rest keyboard, so that you can support your productivity on typing. And yeah, it's a really difficult keyboard, but since it's mechanical, it's a little high, so I recommend you to use get a wrist rest when it comes to mechanical keyboards. And yeah, that's all I can say for today. But what I like about this keyboard is that the comfort of the typing is really good, and when it comes to RGB lighting, it really works well for me. And it's not all about RGB lighting, it's about the performance of the activation point. The activation point is like 1.9 mm, so 1.9 mm. So that means it is, so like I said before, GX brown switch. It's this switch people talking about. Wrong one, hold on. This switch is created by Logitech. So what I like about it is the activation point is really short, really close, and it activates really fast, like I said. So I had I'll have a video about it, how short is this activation, and it's really good, not gonna lie. And most people really like it, is because it's more quieter than the GX Blue Clicky. Normally the GX Blue Clicky switches in this keyboard, the original one is supposed to be the blue switches, but I chose the brown one is because a little like more quiet and more tactile, and like activation is more faster. But yeah, it's really good when it comes to typing and gaming, and it's really good at FPS games, so first person shooters game. And yeah, that's all I can say for today, guys, and thank you for watching and liking my video or subscribe, and I really appreciate that. I will appreciate any of you to subscribe my channel and like my videos, and if you do, you really actually support me. And right now I'm a little underrated, but it doesn't matter. When I keep working hard, you can like get more popular, but it doesn't matter if you're popular. But like I said, I just really want to review on this keyboard, and this video is very special. It's because this channel is supposed to be gaming only, but since I have a new keyboard I bought, I would like to review it, and it's pretty good, not gonna lie. But yeah, usually I really use like laptop keyboards, it's because I use laptop and I don't have PC right now, and I really appreciate if you guys support me so that I can get my own new PC. And thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you enjoy. And if you have any question about the keyboards, or where you can get it or anything like that, just comment down below and ask the question, and I'll answer it straight away if I could. Thank you and goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.